Good morning, guys. I am a 26-year-old stay-at-home mom to 4. We are just going to run a few errands and go to the grocery store to get a few staple items. Usually I do grocery delivery, but it's pretty chill outside, nice, not super hot, and the kids haven't been outside much, so I thought we'd all go to the store, give them a little treat or something. Yeah, so come along with me. Please like, comment, share, and follow/subscribe. I'd love for you guys to be a part of my journey and continue to come back. Thank you.